Hey everyone, welcome to my very first video on Brandify You, your one-stop shop for all things regarding personal branding. Today we are diving into a question that's been buzzing around the internet for quite some time. Has Elon Musk's personal branding hurt or helped Tesla's image in a public eye? Love him or hate him, Elon Musk is undeniably a branding powerhouse, but with all the controversy and bold moves in his larger and life persona driving Tesla forward. Or is it steering the company into turbulent waters? Stick around because we are about to explore this topic in a way that's both insightful and entertaining. Before we jump into a deep dive, I want you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are curious about how personal branding can make or break company. Now let's dive into it.
The Maestro of innovation and controversy, Elon Musk, a modern-day enigma, a visionary entrepreneur, a relentless innovator. His name is synonymous with pushing boundaries, defying norms, and courting controversy. From revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry with Tesla to aiming for Mars with SpaceX, Musk's audacity is undeniable. Yet his path is paved with unconventional behavior and provocative pronouncements. These actions often spark polarizing debates. Is he a genius provocateur or an erratic personality? This question lingers, making him both a captivating figure and a source of uncertainty. Musk's impact transcends traditional business paradigms. He has cultivated a devoted following, captivated by his bold ambitions and unwavering self-belief. His pronouncements, often delivered through Twitter, reverberate throughout the financial world. This unique blend of innovation and controversy has indelibly shaped Tesla's trajectory. Understanding this complex interplay is crucial to deciphering the future of Tesla and the broader implications for personal branding in the entrepreneurial landscape.
Electrifying the world. Musk's vision for Tesla. Elon Musk's imprint on Tesla is undeniable. His vision transformed the electric vehicle from a niche curiosity into a global phenomenon. Under his leadership, Tesla became synonymous with sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and sustainable transportation. Musk's genius lies in his ability to captivate the imagination. He doesn't just sell cars, he sells a vision of a future powered by sustainable energy. This vision resonates deeply with a generation concerned about climate change. His relentless pursuit of innovation led to groundbreaking advancements in battery technology, autonomous driving, and vehicle manufacturing. Tesla's vehicles are lauded for their performance, range, and technological sophistication. Musk's influence extends beyond product development. His audacious pronouncements, often bordering on the outlandish, generate significant media attention. This attention keeps Tesla in the public eye and fuels consumer excitement. Through his bold vision and masterful command of public attention, Musk has positioned Tesla as not just a car company, but a leader in the race toward a sustainable future.
A double-edged sword, the Musk factor in Tesla's volatility. While Musk's audacity propelled Tesla to the forefront of the automotive industry, it also introduced volatility. His impulsive nature and unpredictable pronouncements often create controversy, impacting Tesla's stock price and public perception. One notable example is Musk's infamous funding secured tweet in 2018. This tweet, suggesting he planned to take Tesla private, triggered a Securities and Exchange Commission investigation. The ensuing legal battle and subsequent settlement tarnished Tesla's image and raised concerns about Musk's judgment. Musk's outspoken nature on social media often backfires. His tweets, while entertaining to some, can alienate investors and customers. Controversial statements such as downplaying the severity of the COVID-19 pandemic drew significant backlash. This volatility raises concerns about the long-term sustainability of Tesla's success. Can a company so closely tied to the whims of its eccentric CEO maintain its trajectory? Or is a degree of separation between the brand and the individual necessary for continued growth? While Musk's visionary leadership is undeniable, his impulsive actions underscore the inherent risks associated with a company so closely intertwined with its founder's persona.
Unraveling the Tesla paradox. Brand, leadership, and the future. The Tesla paradox lies in its inextricable link to Elon Musk. His vision, charisma, and controversies are deeply woven into the fabric of the company. This raises a crucial question: can Tesla thrive without Musk at the helm? On the one hand, Musk's brand is Tesla's brand. His relentless pursuit of innovation and his captivating personality are central to Tesla's identity. He inspires a level of devotion among customers and investors that few CEOs can match. On the other hand, Musk's unpredictable behavior poses a significant risk. His impulsive actions and controversial statements create uncertainty. This uncertainty can deter risk-averse investors and damage Tesla's reputation. The future of Tesla hinges on navigating this paradox. Can the company maintain its innovative edge while fostering a more stable and predictable image? Can it transition from a brand intrinsically tied to its founder to a more independent entity? The answers to these questions will determine whether Tesla can sustain its momentum and solidify its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market.
Musk's tweets aren't your typical CEO fare. They are far from the usual corporate jargon. He doesn't just talk about quarterly earnings or business strategies. He talks about memes, his favorite sci-fi books, and his dog. These personal touches make his tweets feel more genuine and relatable. He even offers to buy Twitter on a whim. This spontaneity keeps his followers on their toes. Remember the funding-secured tweet? It sent shockwaves through the markets, causing a frenzy among investors and analysts alike. That's the power of Musk's direct style. His words have the ability to influence markets and public opinion. He doesn't shy away from controversy. In fact, he often dives headfirst into it. In fact, he often leans into it, using it as a platform to express his unfiltered thoughts. But it's not all about making waves. There's a method to his madness. Musk also uses Twitter to connect with his audience on a personal level. He answers questions, responds to feedback, and engages in meaningful conversations. He even participates in Twitter polls, showing that he values the opinions of his followers. This level of engagement is rare for someone of his stature. Most CEOs maintain a distance, but not Musk. But it's this authenticity that makes him so relatable. His willingness to engage directly with people sets him apart. He's not just a CEO in an ivory tower. He's approachable and down to earth. He's a real person with real thoughts and opinions, and he shares them openly. And he's not afraid to share them, no matter how controversial they might be. This is what makes Musk's engaging style so unique and compelling.
In a world of carefully crafted corporate messages, Musk is refreshingly candid. He doesn't hide behind PR teams or corporate jargon. He says what he thinks. This unfiltered approach can be risky, but it's also incredibly powerful. People are drawn to authenticity. We crave genuine connections. We want to know the real person behind the brand, and Musk gives us that. He lets us into his world, flaws and all. This directness builds trust. It makes him relatable. People feel like they know him, and that makes them more likely to buy into his vision. They invest in Tesla not just for the cars, but for the person behind them. This is the power of direct communication. It breaks down barriers, it creates real connections, and in a crowded digital space, it makes you stand out.
Musk's unfiltered style brings both rewards and risks. His tweets generate massive engagement. They spark conversations. They keep him in the headlines. But this double-edged sword can cut both ways. His off-the-cuff remarks have landed him in hot water. They've sparked controversy. They've even led to legal battles. The funding-secured tweet is a prime example. It got him into trouble with the SEC. This highlights the importance of caution. Even with authenticity, you need a filter. Musk's story is a cautionary tale. It shows the power and peril of unfiltered communication. While authenticity is key, it's crucial to balance it with responsibility.
Section 5. Lesson 1. Authenticity, your brand's North Star. So, what can you learn from Elon Musk's social media mastery? How can you apply his strategies to build your own personal brand? It starts with authenticity. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Be genuine. Be passionate. Let your true colors shine through. Share your story, your experiences, your values. This is what makes you unique. This is what makes you relatable. People connect with stories. They connect with emotions. Let them see the real you. Authenticity builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any strong personal brand. It's the one thing you can't fake.
Section 6. Lesson 2. Engagement. Fueling the fire of your brand. Engagement is key. Just like Musk responds to tweets and participates in conversations, you need to be present. Don't just broadcast your message. Start dialogues, ask questions, respond to comments, build relationships. Social media is about connecting with people. Treat your followers like friends, not just numbers. Engage with them. Show them you care. Be responsive. Don't leave people hanging. Reply to messages. Acknowledge feedback. The more you engage, the stronger your community becomes. Remember, social media is a two-way street. It's not just about talking. It's about listening. It's about building relationships. It's about creating a community around your brand.
Section 7. Lesson 3. Navigating the social media minefield. Musk's story highlights the risks of unfiltered communication. While authenticity is crucial, it's important to be mindful of what you share. Think before you tweet. Words have power. They can inspire. They can also hurt. Consider the potential impact of your words before you hit send. Be respectful, even when you disagree. Everyone is entitled to their opinion. Engage in healthy debate, but avoid personal attacks. Remember, your online presence is a reflection of your personal brand. Be mindful of the image you're projecting.
Section 8. Building your brand. A blueprint for success. Building a strong personal brand takes time and effort. It's a journey that requires dedication and a clear vision of what you want to achieve. It requires consistency, authenticity, and a willingness to adapt. You must be prepared to evolve as you learn more about yourself and your audience. Define your core values. What do you stand for? What are your passions? What makes you unique? These are the pillars of your brand. Maintain consistency. Your brand should be reflected in everything you do online. This includes your visual identity, your tone of voice, and the content you share. From your profile picture to your posts, ensure consistency in your message and tone. Embrace authenticity. Be yourself. Authenticity builds trust and loyalty. People connect with genuine personalities. They are drawn to those who are real and relatable. Share your story, your passions, and your unique perspective. Let your audience see the real you. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations. This interaction builds a loyal community. Build relationships and foster a sense of community. Networking and collaboration can open new doors and opportunities. Monitor and adapt. Pay attention to what resonates with your audience. Their feedback is invaluable.
So, there you have it. Elon Musk's personal branding is a complex mix of brilliance and controversies, offering both inspirational and cautionary tales. By understanding his strategies and applying the lessons we have discussed today, you can build a powerful personal brand that's both impactful and sustainable. Thanks for watching this video on Brandify You. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what aspects of Elon Musk's branding was most fascinating. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.